If you've ever bought any sort of fruit or berries from the store, you know you can accumulate a lot of these plastic containers and then you end up just recycling them. But I have a better use for you today rather than just throwing them in the recycling no man's land. You can see that these come in all different shapes and sizes, so I have 3 different approaches for you when it comes to using these because the holes are all just a little bit different. Now, of course, you do want to take the labels off these just to jazz it up a little bit more. This larger one here contained grapes. But you can see at the bottom, the holes are a bit thicker, so it's great for a Dollar Tree sticky tape, sticky ribbon such as this, and you can put it on both sides, so then you just pull it out whenever you need your item. You can also do 2 of these side by side. They fit perfectly right in there, you can see. So it's a great way to organize all those spools that you have laying around and have easy access, and then all you have to do is close this up and put it in your craft closet or wherever you like to keep these sorts of items. This is also great for your stamps and all of those stickers that you have. Rather than being all jumbled in a box, just reuse your produce containers. Also, you can see at the top here there are tiny holes, so you could use something like this to put it through the top. Now these kiwi sized ones are one of my favorite because this is where you can put all of these little strands you have for ribbon or wrapping paper, but look at all the holes that you have on each side of this. There's so many different functional ways that you can grab your string, have it when you need it, all in one organized place, which you know I love. If you love additional cleaning and life hacks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.